before I become sick.
You were doing it too, so stop.
Oh, I know.
Recording's not starting. Give it a second.
It did start.
It says it started up there, but on my screen it doesn't say it started yet. Again, it says it started up there. Now on my screen it says it started. I go off of what my screen says so it doesn't miss anything. Now, today we have spent 2 weeks on mean, median, mode, and range, and dot plots and statistical questions and things like that. So that is what you guys are going to be doing today. Before you guys get working on that, you have also a conversions check. That's the name of one of these assignments. That is where you're converting between fractions, decimals, and percents. We have not reviewed that in a while, so I put the process for all of them on the board. So if you're online, look at the whiteboard thing. If you're in class, look at the whiteboard. But you have all of the different processes. From fraction to decimal, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. To go from a fraction to a percent, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator and then move your decimal. For a percent to decimal, you just got to move your decimal. Percent to fraction, you have to put your percent over 100 and then simplify your fraction. For decimal to percent, you just got to move your decimal again. Just make sure you're going in the right direction. And then for decimal to fraction, you put the decimal over 100 and simplify your fraction. So I'm going to leave these up for all of class because the conversions check, I think, is 20 questions. So I think it might take you guys a little bit of time to work through. So this will be here the whole time as you need it. The other one that you need to do is the graphing inequalities check. So there's 3 tests. The statistics test is 5 questions. Conversions check using all of this stuff is, I think, 20 questions. And then the graphing inequalities is another 5 questions. So plenty of stuff to work on for math. And I'm pretty sure that they have all posted already. If not, they will post eventually. So just start working on whichever one is already posted. They're all posted? All right. So on Google Classroom, under math, good. The last 3 things that have been posted: the statistics test, conversions check, and the graphing inequalities check. Those are your 3 assignments for the day. Go ahead and start working on them. Again, these are one of the first things that are going to go on your quarter 4 grades. So try your best on them. Speaking of, it's on the statistics test. Speaking of grades, they are done for 3rd quarter. There is no point in going back and doing any of the work from 3rd quarter. It's already done. Grades are submitted. Redoing those is not going to get you a better grade. Or turning them in late isn't going to get you a better grade at this point. I gave you guys plenty of time to work on those assignments. If they're not done, that's your own responsibility. And I'm sure I will love telling your parents about how responsible you are next week during parent-teacher conferences. So go ahead and start off quarter 4 good and get these 3 assignments done. Sound good?
Okay. On the conversions one, it doesn't show the answers.